What did you do this Thanksgiving weekend? Me? I went on an adventure. I'm Amy Vishwanatha. Welcome to Techie Housewife. As most of you know, Thanksgiving night begins the holiday shopping season. Normally, after everybody has eaten and rested for a while, everyone ventures out and begins trying to find their deals. However, this year, it's a little bit different. Stores did not open up on Thanksgiving night, but there are people who ventured out and waited in line, some as early as Wednesday night at midnight. What were these people waiting for, you ask? Good question. The shoppers we spoke to were waiting in line for either a PS5 or an Xbox Series X console. This is the first interview of my channel, and for those of you who know me, know this is well out of my comfort zone. But this is something I really wanted to do. As you will hear in the interviews, most people thought that going to the store or waiting in a line like they did was the best way to get a console. It just isn't the same going online and purchasing, especially during the holiday season. They seem to like the standing in line and waiting together, and there's quite a camaraderie, and people like kind of bond during that time. So that is not something you can get online. And I think that we're losing the aspect of being together with people, and I think that's really important. I'm not going to hold you up any longer. I'm going to let you see what went on my adventure. Okay, it's like about 2 o'clock in the morning, and we are heading out to find those people who might be standing in line. We're off. The first group we interviewed, they were pretty excited and had a bit of energy, at least a couple of them did, and they were genuinely excited to be there. And I must say, I'm glad these guys were my first interview. They really made it easy for me.
All I see is snow, bells and mistletoe.
He's been right there, yeah. He's been here since midnight last night, and so has the gentleman in the gray
cold-looking gentleman over here.
Young people will. They like that.
So, how long have you been here?
I got here at 4.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You've been here since...
I got here at like 12 o'clock, like last night.
Wow. How many people are getting PS5?
Just those two right there.
We're getting PS5.
Hopefully there's more so they can get one.
Yeah?
And then I think the rest
So everybody else is for Xbox?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah, best console.
Yeah. Has anybody tried Walmart.com?
I got one on Walmart.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Oh, we've tried so many times.
It was a pain. It kept kicking me out. You just had to keep trying. It kept kicking me out. But that one's for my uncle. The one tonight is the one I'm getting for myself.
So you guys think it's going to be worth sitting here? Well, you guys at the beginning, it'll be worth it for you guys.
Grand Theft Auto 5 loads up in like 20 seconds. Like that's.
It's definitely.
Oh, it's definitely worth it to you.
Yeah.
I don't have much better to do. I'm crippled right now, so I ain't got.
2K.
Yeah. Did you get surgery or?
Yeah, I got surgery yesterday on this one.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not working. I can't go play basketball or anything, so I'm just chilling with my boy.
Actually, you guys picked a nice night too.
Yeah.
It's not freezing
Weather.
cold out.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, it was chilly. It was wet last night too, right?
Well, at 9 o'clock last night, I tried to get a console from Walmart. That didn't work. So then it was about 11:30. I'm like, man, they're gonna probably start. I looked on Twitter and said GameStop Campers. I'm like, oh wow, people are probably already down there. So I rushed out of here with me and him. We stayed here all night last night, all throughout the day yesterday. And,
People bringing you food and stuff.
Yeah,
I brought them 2 Thanksgiving dinners for my Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
I'm getting one now. Like I've made it this far. There's no problem.
Yeah.
Cops support us too.
Yeah. He's a real nice guy.
Yeah, it's kind of like we usually go out and shop like Thanksgiving night and stuff. And it's kind of sad this year.
Oh yeah.
You just can't. Yeah.
I miss it. This is what we gotta do.
You got 4 hours.
Ready.
Nothing's gonna get done at work, but we'll have the PS5.
The second GameStop we went to, I did not interview anyone there, but my husband did get out and speak to a couple people. From the look of everyone in line, they didn't seem like they would be open to an interview, and that was actually the case. When my husband went and spoke to them, they were not very talkative, and I believe the first thing they said was the end of the line is that way. So he didn't get much information out of them. The third GameStop wasn't too bad. There was quite a bit of a line there, and I spoke to a couple of guys that seemed to be a bit shy and a little bit quieter. I'm from, it's called Techie Housewife.
Okay.
So we've been actually trying to get the PS5 and stuff like online, and we've had problems with it. But so we just thought we'd go around and talk to some people and see how long you guys have been out. So how long have you guys been here?
6:30 p.m.
PM? Yeah.
Roughly.
So which one are you guys going for?
All Xbox.
Xbox? So for yourselves, or is it a gift? Or?
Yeah, for ourselves, yes.
Okay. And do you think is it worth standing out here, do you think, for the...
I would say so.
Yeah. You guys have a good night. The weather is really cooperating with you guys tonight.
Luckily. Been good.
So have you guys tried to order online at all?
Uh,
Like Walmart?
prefer doing it this way.
Yeah, that's what we were talking about. This is like how we always did everything, and kind of miss that kind of stuff.
Yeah, guarantees you get one.
Yeah. So, well, thanks for letting me interview you guys.
Yeah, no problem.
Good luck.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Thanks. But the last GameStop I went to, everyone was pretty talkative, but they were not very happy with the way the consoles had been handled this year. So how long have you guys been here?
Oh, since 2 o'clock yesterday. PlayStation, the culture. The PS5
Yeah.
culture.
Yeah.
Sony needs their behinds kicked.
Did you try ordering online?
Oh, every time it came online.
So did we. Yeah, I actually did a video about it because it was really irritating. You get on there and it just locked up. And
Every
you,
time.
yeah. So you're going for a PlayStation?
Yep, that's man.
Yeah. Kind of been going around talking to people and.
Yeah, we don't mind.
Yes.
It's a change of pace for us. We were just out here freezing our about to nod out. You guys been out all day looking for stores?
No, we pretty much stayed inside all day. And like our whole family didn't get together. Normally the whole family gets together, but stuff. So
Skip Thanksgiving for Black Friday this year.
kind of miss it, you know.
Yeah.
Normally after Thanksgiving we left and we'd go out and start shopping. But the whole Black Friday culture has changed in the last couple years. Yeah. So.
It's crazy. It's got. I mean, maybe it's for the best though.
Yeah.
But they got to get this online thing together.
Yeah, I talked about it. Their servers, they need better servers. They need bugs fixed in
They got to get that together.
their code and everything. And they need to somehow block the bots.
The bots. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh! I don't know how you can purchase 1,000 items or however the whole supply in 2 seconds. It's
Yeah.
ridiculous.
Yeah. And what's really frustrating is you get to that where you're checking out and it actually is processing your card.
It's in your cart and everything.
Yeah.
You're good to go.
Yeah.
Just click the last click. You got it. It's yours.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm like, if it's in the cart, it's yours. You shouldn't have to
You
have
get
it.
the loading screen
Yeah.
of death. It boosts you right up.
It says, sure, you can buy it. Oh, no, sorry to cut you up.
Thank you for answering questions and stuff.
Enjoy. Have a great day. Enjoy
your weekend.
These being my first interviews I've ever done, they went pretty well and I got a good variety, I believe. I do have to say the number one complaint was the online shopping and trying to get that console from Walmart. Actually, I did a video about Walmart versus PS5. I'll link that below in the description. We did make our way back to the original place we started, and it was just before the doors were about to open for GameStop. The guys were standing there and they were so excited. They had their tickets and everything, and they were getting ready within a few minutes to go in and grab their consoles. That about wraps it up for today. If you were able to get your hands on a console this weekend, please let me know in the comments below. If you have anything to add or any questions, you can leave those as well in the comments below. If you like what you've seen, please hit like and subscribe. If you hit the little bell icon, you will be notified as soon as any new content is uploaded. And I hope you have a playtastic